Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus 3rd generation Mk3. This should cover 2012 to 2018 model, guys, and I think the facelift as well. So what we'll be showing you today, where to find the starter fuse. If your car does not start, it sounds like a bad starter, like you need to replace the starter, there is actually fuse and relay. So in this video we'll show you where the fuse is. Check out the video for the relay as well. Also we'll have a video how to test the relay, so you don't have to waste your money on a new one if yours is good. In the meantime, we're going to have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more info, and if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your problem. So open the hood first. This is the first step. Second, we need to locate the fuse box, engine fuse box right here, and there is one clip on the back side here. Okay, pull it out like that and remove that cover. Now on the back side of the cover, guys, you can see where the fuses are labeled here. Okay, you can see 9, 10, 11, 12. So we need to locate fuse number 13. Okay, this is fuse number 13 right there. Fuse number 13 is the third one on the left row from top to bottom. This one right here. And the good thing about those is, okay, you can check out if they're burnt, usually without removing them. Okay, most of the cases you can do that. Okay, right here you can see the two copper elements, but also, okay, we're going to show you how to remove and test it to double check that it works. So let me grab a screwdriver. This is not the correct way to remove it, but it's the easiest for us. I'll recommend to use only plastic tools when you do that, and careful not to damage the fuses and the fuse box. Also, not to damage the fuse next to it. So I'm going to gently pry and wiggle it while I'm pulling with this finger up. Okay, at the same time. Okay, perfect. Check it out now. This is the fuse, guys. Even though, okay, it looks good on the inside, we're going to show you how to test it. Let me get the multimeter quick. Okay, I'll just turn the light down a little bit so you can see a little bit better. We're going to set it on continuity. All the parts and tools, guys, that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. So we're going to have it here now. And if the fuse is not burned, it will make it will connect the chain, so the element will not be blown, and it's pretty much like touching those LEDs together. We're going to get close to 0, which means that the element is not blown. If it's blown, it will stay at 1 and we will not hear a beep. So here is one post, the other one. Check it out, the fuse is not burned, because sometimes it's hard to see on the inside on those fuses. Even though it looks fine, it might be burned, so always double check them. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. All we have to do, just push it in, install your cover, guys, and this one. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.